Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Analysis of time series, chapter number 4, statistics part 1. There are two parts of statistics, part 1 and part 2. Chapter number 4 of this part 1, analysis of time series. The numerical example, practical example, first type, graphical method. Estimate the trend by using graphical method. Obtain the trend by using graphical method for the following data. Year and production in ton 2006, 2007 up to 2015, and the corresponding data are given for production in ton 20, 23, 20, etc. Data are given to us. We have to draw the graph or the diagram and then hence estimate the trend, that which type of trend, whether straight line trend or curve type trend. Here we plot the points. Horizontal line, vertical line, that is x-axis, and y-axis, this is origin. On the x-axis, year, that is time, can be taken. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, up to 10th year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of 2006, 2007, 2008, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take on x-axis, that is horizontal line, time t, which is given in terms of year. On y-axis, that is vertical line, production, actual data, this data 20, 23, 20 and so on. Production, that is data. On y-axis, production in tons. Maximum value is 47, therefore we can mark 5, 10, 15 means 1 centimeter equal to 5 units on the y-axis. The scale must be written on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 year, on y-axis 1 centimeter to 5 units or 5 ton. Now plot the point for the 2006 20, that is for the first year 20 is there, so mark here. For the second year 23, for the second year 23 somewhere here, between 20 and 21 somewhere here, see this value. That spot 20, for the third year 20, 28, for fourth 28 somewhere here, fifth year 32, this is 32, this value, means approximate. For another 35, this is 35. Then 7, 30, 30 here. Then 40, 45, 47. Now after plotting the point, join this point with the scale and pencil by using straight line, continuous line, unbroken line. This way, see, continuous line. It is known as continuous line or actual data line. Then from first two points somewhere here, at the middle and at the last, if you draw a broken line which is obtained as a straight line, see this way, broken line, and this broken line is known as the trend line. This broken line, it is known as trend line. And as this broken line in the straight manner, it is also known as trend, is straight type, in straight line trend, it is known as. Therefore, from the graph or the resulting diagram or resulting graph, this is conclusion. From the resulting diagram or resulting graph, we can say that broken line between the points shows or it indicates the straight line trend in the data. This is graphical method only. We can estimate, we can judge only the trend for the given values and not more calculation is that. If this type of graph is obtained, see, important notes. If the broken line or trend line shows this type of curvature, means this curve line, it is known as curve type train. Somewhere means two type of train can be obtained. This way, straight line train, see broken line, and this is curve type. Means resulting diagram only can decide the type of the train, whether straight line train or whether it is curve type train. Means it is based upon the given data. We practice minimum 5 to 7 example from textbook, from illustration, from PDF or from board papers. If you practice very well, this is the basic method, primary method, preliminary method, graphical method or diagrammatic method of presenting the train. But calculation is also there. It is known as least square method. That part we are going to see in the next lecture. So we practice well. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Okay, see you.